Hi guys, it's got a beautiful day today out here in Northwest Island. Tomorrow it's going to blow from the southeast, so we won't be able to go out for 2 days, so we've got to make the most of it today. Unfortunately the tides are not in our favour, so we can only get out for 4-hour windows and go and give it a shot. We've got to be back by around about 10 to 2 because it only draws half a metre on the actual reef, so we've got to get in before we get stuck on the reef today. So we're just going to do 4 hours and that's it. See how clear the water is here, it's just awesome. Now there is a channel just here that we're going out. Danielle's taking around the reef a bit down, so you go in the channel, bring on the fish, that's what I say. Well done, Danny. What we got this time?
Just a small, that's iodine fish, I think.
Is it iodine?
Yeah.
Iodine brim. Not the best, good for bait, but when you cut the fillets, they actually taste like iodine, or they smell like iodine. Well done, we got some more bait.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish.
Yes.
Husky. You. Beautiful. Husky too. There you go. You. Nice tusky. Hopefully we'll get a few more for dinner. Okay, just seen a mackerel around the boat. Just put out a floating pilly. And he's a good fish. There he is. So he's not what's the name yet? He's not done. He's only just woken up. Just go back a bit with that GoPro. Yeah, I'll sort that out. Just go back with the GoPro down. So make sure. There he is. You see him down the bottom there? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Coming around that way.
Oh yeah. Got him. He's coming up. He's coming up.
Not yet, don't I? Just let that drag off a bit. In case he goes again. He's come out, he's back in the boat. Now I can turn his head.
Here he comes, he's got colour.
It might have been his last run, that.
No, I reckon he's got a bit in him yet.
Try and get him up.
Here he comes, he's coming back up. Nice and easy. And under the boat again. Here he comes, slowly, slowly. Yeah.
Yep. Out of the way.
Yep.
Okay, he's come back round again, we're alright.
Still on record. Want to go
Wait
in?
for a minute, not yet, not yet. Let that drag off a bit in case it does go. Right, give me the hook next time round.
Give me the hook.
Alright, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll get him this time.
You beauty! Oh, now that's a mackerel. Woohoo!
Woo!
Well done.
Man,
Now we got a few.
angry beast. He was I just spotted him as we were. I just spotted him as we were going across. He's a good fish. Hey, that's what we come to the Northwest for. Now we've got some food. You. Oh, thank God for that. We're running out of food. So now we've got a beautiful feed for the rest of the week. How good's that? All right, I might have to just get the pacifier out. We won't show you that. Ooh, keep them away from my toes. tigers. All right, that'll do.
Oh, yeah.
So there we go, guys. I've just landed that mackerel, and this fella's come in, big tiger shark. Hey, this place is wild. Yeah, he's just come in to see, what's going on. He heard me giving that poor old Spanish a little bit of a clip round the ear hole, and yeah, he came in. That was a big tiger, wasn't it? Hey? And we're only in 18 meters of water. Wow. Don't know. This place is wild.
Certainly is. Let's see what else.
Hey, BCFing good. Danielle works down at Maroochydore, BCF. If you ever need any tips on fishing, she's the girl. I'm over the moon. Okay, thank God that big tiger wasn't around when we landed him. We'd have bitten it in half. That was about, he would have been about 8-9 foot, you reckon? Maybe a bit bigger?
He's a big shark.
Big shark?
I'd say he's too far away still. I'd say he's still hanging around.
Yeah. Right, Dan, just throw a bit of fresh water in there. No, it's all good, Dan. Plug's empty. Alright, ice. And then we'll put a bit of salt slurry in there. Where's that ice, babe? Throw that up. Best way to keep your fish. Get the ice in the bag and then a salt slurry over the top. Nice. Now we're not going to be able to get out for a fish for the next 2 days, so that's a bit of bait, which is good. And some nice tuskies. So we're going to get the freezer working. Oh, shit. Okay, and that's it. And we're going to move from this area now that tiger shark's just come in, because we won't be able to land another fish. So we're going to go well away from here. Like I said, we've only got a window of 4 hours to catch fish because of the tides. We're going to come back in spring, I think, next time, eh, Dan? When we've got some good tides, we can fish for 10 hours.
Yep.
Now with this mackerel, there's no way I'm going to fit him in here. So I'm going to cut him in half and then put him in, get him on ice. It's a lot easier to fill it once you cut him in half as well. So it's much easier than filling in the whole fish. And pillies are about a week old that I've just caught that mackerel on, and they've been defrosted for I don't know how long. 8 days old actually, and pillies. Just 1 sec. 1 sec. Yeah, about 8 days old. Wish they'd invent a better system for these eskies. They drive me nuts. Oh, what a great day. Let's make sure. Can't believe that tiger shark just coming in like that. He must have heard the commotion, and yeah, they came out. That's awesome. It's just awesome. Love it here. Absolutely love it. It's a shame we couldn't get out fishing for 10 hours a day.
Okay, let's get some camera photos.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, this is the reason why we're leaving. Tiger's just coming in. You can smell the blood of the mackerel. I don't know if you can see him out there. Time to leave. There he is. Just there's his fin. I don't know if you can see it, guys. He's coming closer to the boat now. Let's see if I can get this GoPro on. Oh, there's two of them there.
Oh, no,
and that's his tail. Beautiful shark. Tiger shark. Beautiful. They're majestic, aren't they? How's he be over? Here he comes. He's getting a bit braver. Wow. That is awesome. Holy shit. Wow. Showing us his side, how big he is. How many remoras are on him? 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 remoras on there. All right, let's burn. Beautiful Spanish mackerel off Northwest Island. Absolutely wrapped with that. Plenty to eat now. We were down to our last packet of sausages. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you next week here at the Hook and the Cook. Get him off his feet, they'll bite you. Hey guys, gonna film it the best I can anyway. How was it, Dan?
It's absolutely beautiful, Paul.
Looks a bit sad all on around like that.